Hello, this is Chris Wallace with Team WIKISPEED. I wanted to give a quick demo on how to use Gmail's canned responses with filters to automatically reply to an email based on certain criteria. The first thing we'll need to do is make sure that canned responses is enabled. To do that, we'll go to this gear icon and choose Settings. Choose the Labs option and make sure that canned responses is enabled. By default, it is disabled in Gmail, so we want to make sure we go ahead and pick this option. And we'll scroll down to the bottom and choose Save Changes. Once that is enabled, we can go to Compose, type out what we want our response to be, pick the More Options button down at the bottom, go to Canned Responses, and choose New Canned Response. We will give the canned response a name, and that should have saved it. If we want to make changes, we can go back to Canned Responses and under Save, choose to save that canned response. And just to verify that the changes were saved, we can go to Canned Responses and insert the canned response. Once we have the response that we want, we'll go to Settings and Filters. We will choose to create a new filter, and we can use different criteria to filter this message. We can use from, to, the subject, has the words, does not have the words, if it includes an attachment, if it's greater than or less than a certain size. Also, there's an option to not include chat, so it would just be incoming email. In this case, we're just going to use the subject. So if an email came in and the subject was test response, then this filter would be applied. We'll create the filter with this search, and then we have several actions here that we can apply. One in particular would be apply the label, so we can choose a label and have it go directly to that label, which Gmail uses very similar to subfolders. In this case, we're going to choose Send Canned Response, our response that we just created, and create the filter. We can see the filter was created here. We have the option to go back and edit the filter or to delete it.